Hey guys, we're back with another video today, and today I'm going to be doing a loud test, if you could say, on my new straight pipe. I recently just took the old rusty muffler off, and we're going to powder coat that and put it back on next week. But for the time being, I want to have a little fun with some noise. I'm going to see how loud this straight pipe is with my 150cc go-kart. And like and subscribe for more videos, and rate this loudness on a 1 to 10 scale. 10 obviously being the loudest and 1 being really quiet. So here we go. So like and subscribe for more videos. Till next time.